watching, I like dancing Mario. It's better than the other shows. Mario.
Mario, you know Mario?
Mm-hmm.
Mario Brothers, no?
Oh.
Oh, Mario. Mom, why the end purple?
Can I give it a little paw?
Mm-hmm.
Can you put back down?
Well, don't do it too much. Mom, no more. You wanted the squish. Oh, you have to crack in it. If you were too long.
I think it's just too big. This one is a big one.
Yeah.
It's a huge garlic. It's in the bowl.
This one is big too.
Yeah, they're big ones.
And this one is big.
So with this garlic, I don't think it's good. I think you can put it here. Put it over here.
Yeah.
So what are you doing, Adara?
But garlic.
You're doing garlic? Wow. That's good. Did you do all those in the jar there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you win the challenge?
Yeah.
Yes, she did. She put more garlic in the bowl, more than you. She did a whole container.
I did 2 containers.
So how are you doing it?
First you take off the skin and then you put it inside.
Let me see how you're doing it. Can you show me? Oh, you got a system going there, my dear.
Thank you.
Oops.
Don't worry, I got it.
Hey friends, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're talking all about garlic. Do you have lots of garlic and you don't know what to do with them, and they have started to sprout and you're like, oh my goodness, my garlic is gonna go bad? Well, don't fret. I have a solution for you and I'm gonna show you. We are going to preserve this garlic in a delicious way. So if you want to learn more about how to preserve your garlic, keep watching. I have tons of garlic. I had this basket filled with garlic and this basket filled with garlic, and as you can see, most of them is sprouting. So I put my kids to work and they've been peeling garlic for me, and this is the amount that they peeled so far. So they've peeled a lot of garlic. So this is a lot of garlic, guys. Lots of garlic. You see that? This is loads of garlic. So we do not want this garlic to go bad. And I don't want to put this garlic in the fridge because I don't like my garlic in the fridge. And it tends to get moldy after a while. I don't know why. So we are going to preserve this garlic in oil. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Right here, I have a little bit of starter. And this is just garlic that I had before with a tiny bit of oil in the bottom. And this is already fermented. So when you put the new garlic in, it's going to start the fermentation process. So you want to leave a tiny bit below. So let's do this. First, you want to take your jar and you just want to fill it up with garlic. Can you help me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think you're dropping them all instead. Wait, you're dropping them. Let's fill it up. Okay. So you want to fill it up all the way to the top. Whoops. All right, I think that's good. Oh, that is helping you there. All right. And then you want to get any oil of your choice to fill it up. Today I'm going to be using safflower oil in mine. So let's do that. Just pour your oil in like this, all the way to the neck.
Just shake it up.
And there you have it. And if you look at the bottom here, you're seeing this little stuff there, this cloudy stuff. This is the mother. This is the mother of the fermented garlic that was already there. So this is awesome. So I have one jar here. I think I'm gonna need another jar for these ones. Yeah, I'm gonna need another jar. So I'm gonna get another jar, and the other jar also has garlic in it, and I'm gonna use a tiny bit of the mother from that jar to add to this new jar.
Mommy, this one has a big crack on it. Mom, this one has a big crack on it.
It's okay.
What's that big crack?
Now, one thing I want to let you know is, if you have any garlic that looks like this, that has any imperfection, you don't want it to go in there because it may form mold. So you don't want to put these ones in. You can just put these ones in your fridge and then you can use them at a later date. But don't wait too long because it's kind of already going bad. And I'm using these lids, these plastic lids, because I find when I use the metal lid, sometimes it gets rusty or it gets too messy to open, but the plastic lid is just easy to work with, so I've been using the plastic lid. So let's do this one. This one, actually, I decided not to put the mother. I changed my mind. I'm just gonna start it all afresh. Start it from scratch. And it's gonna make its own fermentation, and it's gonna make its own mother. And you want to leave this one, you could leave it to start fermenting at around about 3 days. You should see bubbles coming up in the oil, and it's gonna be fermenting. I like to leave mine for 7 days, and after 7 days I start using it. This one, oops, hold on, I think we're dropping all the garlic. And this one had started to sprout, and don't worry about that, you can still put that in. So whoops, dropping them all, sweet girl. So let's put them in. Last bit. All right.
Now the oil.
But wait a minute. It's a full bottle. I don't want you to drop it. Okay. Good. Careful. It's all the way to the top. Okay. Be careful. All right. Good to go. All right. Let's put that down. Put it down on the floor before it drop.
That's
right.
a lot.
Let's cover that one up. And we have about 2 more jars to go. But let's talk about this one. So this one, you're going to have to leave it for about 10 days. In about 10 days, it's going to start to have bubbles. It depends on how warm your kitchen is, because now it's winter, obviously. Sometimes it starts to ferment around 7 or 8 days. Sometimes it's 10 days. So it's going to take a while, but just keep an eye on it and see. Just do not fill it up too much to the top, because when it starts to ferment, it may bubble over and make a mess. So just kind of leave it loose like that. And then you're good to go. So this is my 2 jars for now, because we're going to continue doing all the rest later. And this is so amazing. You can make so much different recipes with that. My favorite recipe to make with this fermented garlic is ginger. I like to grind up ginger and this fermented garlic and then I add some oil and I leave it on the counter for like 3 days, and then it makes this awesome seasoning that you can rub and marinate on chicken, on fish, on any kind of red meat that you have. It just gives it an awesome flavor. And sometimes I add some rosemary, like if I'm doing turkey, it's a nice garlicky rosemary flavor. So this is a great way to use this fermented garlic. I am going to come back with another video showing you guys how to make this fermented garlic with ginger and rosemary. It's so yummy to do, because I have a nice piece of beef that I want to bake, and I'm going to be using it on it. So I'm going to come back and show you guys in another video how I do this. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have loads and loads of garlic like I do, you can definitely do this. And yeah, your garlic is preserved, and this can last for years and years and years, like this, in oil. So thanks for watching. Remember, you're beautiful. Speak beautiful thoughts to yourself in your mind, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. I'm filming you guys doing that.
You're being.
What do you want?